Hey everyone, okay, so I'm going to be swatching for you the Huda Power Bullet Matte Lipsticks. Now, filming in daylight, bloody sun's going to come through and ruin everything. So let's start. Now, since I have more face than lips, that's where we're going to swatch it. Crazy boy. Anniversary, this is the first one. So this is Anniversary. That is a pure beige lip. Now, for those of you who are wondering, there is a misconception about a nude lip. This is a nude lip because it's my own lip colour. Now, so a nude lip is your own lip colour. A beige lip, people often, that's what they think is a nude lip. It kind of isn't. But if you want to know if a nude lip is going to suit you, put some foundation over your lips. If your eyes look amazing, go for it. If you look very ill, Okay, so let's... That's a good colour. That's a good colour. That's a great colour. Anniversary. Keep her. Moving it over there. So next one is Promotion Day. Deep garnet. Look at that red. So let's... Keep her. Okay, so next we've got Honeymoon, which is a sort of tawny pink colour here. Very pretty. So let's, why did I not take a mirror closer to me? That's a nice colour. Maybe Pile. So next we've got El Cinco De Mayo. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm so sorry if I haven't. So you've got another red. This is more an orange based red. So let's... I'm not a fan of reds. Keep her. Just saying. Spring Break. Now this is more like a fuchsia red, but it's still in that red spectrum. It's not that same fuchsia that you would expect, but oh, that's nice. That's that peachy fuchsia colour. Keep her. Okay, so next we've got Rendezvous. This looks like my sort of colour. Rendezvous. Where should we pop it? Should we pop it here? I think so. Thanks very much. Next, this one, Bachelorette Fuchsia. I love a fuchsia lipstick. I don't really care for red, but fuchsia I think looks phenomenal on all skin tones. Keep her. And finally, we've got another nude. This is called Staycation. Comes up with these names. Beige would have done. That's really beige. There are a few people that are going to be able to pull this one off. That's really beige. They're pretty colours, right? I'm not a massive... it's back to front of the monitor. I'm not a massive fan of that because that is the beigest of beige. There are very few people who will be able to pull it off and look splendid with it. But pretty much every single one on my face minus that one. Not a fan. Now I should probably give my face a spritz of that resting boss face, and then these will just never come off. Ever. Might want to shower, Wayne. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.